Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss how much does TikTok pay per view. In 2025, TikTok pays creator through its Creator Rewards program, and this program offers between 40 cents and $1 for every 1,000 views. That means if your video gets 1 million views, you could earn between $400 and $1,000. The exact amount depends on factors like audience engagement, where your viewers are located, and the overall quality of your content. To be eligible for this Creator Rewards program, you must be at least 18 years old, have more than 10,000 followers, and receive at least 100,000 video views in past 30 days. Your content also needs to be original and at least 1 minute long. Besides this program, creators can make money in other ways, such as partnering with brands, receiving gifts during live streams, using affiliate links, or selling their own products and services. If you stay consistent and meet the program standards, TikTok can become a serious income stream for you. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.